On 400, got our chia seeds and about 3 tablespoons of water, and those need to sit for at least 5 minutes. Gonna start chopping up our veggies. Holy cow, look at that giant broccoli. Got our oven at 400, and these go in for about 20-25 minutes. Time to make our relish. Got our corn and red pepper. Got a 1/4 cup of water. Step 4, making the relish, and that says about 15 minutes or until the liquid is just about gone. Alright, and looks like we're going to make our bean patties next. Here's our chia seeds. They've pretty much soaked up all the water. Looks kind of like jello. Alright, just make sure. Add beans, couple chia seeds, yes. And mash. And then add vegetables. for this bowl. And 1.5 tablespoons of this. I got a new light. I'm working on it. And a little bit of salt and pepper. All right. Alright, popping these in the fridge to cool for about 5 minutes. These are nice and chilled. They just came out of the fridge. Got a little bit of olive oil heating up right here. Our salsa still has a little bit of water, so we're gonna leave that on. So kidney bean patties, about 5 to 6 minutes on each side, and then we're done. I know I'm not the only one who loves hearing that sizzle sound. These are ready to be flipped. Don't mind my phone charger. Those smell amazing. This image, but let's hope it tastes as good. Ready to take a bite of this. Looks good. It does smell amazing. Get a little bit of kidney bean. Let's try this.
Oh damn. What'd you do with this broccoli? That is interesting and amazing.
It's roasted broccoli. There was a seasoning packet put on there. Yeah, the broccoli got a little crisp. But the patties are amazing. I was a little worried with the relish because there was so much sugar. But if I hadn't have known, it's not like I could taste, it's not like it's overwhelmingly sweet. Excellent.